Today we're going to decorate this glass shower screen using our unique polished edged glass bevels. These bevels are going to be bonded onto the screen and to form a bubble sensation going up the door. We'll use our Nano 470 white light and UV curable adhesive. This adhesive will clear, optically perfect, so that the glass bevel will actually become part of the glass door. Now, our first step in any kind of glass preparation is cleaning, and what we use to clean it is a 3M product, which is a white scouring pad. This is a delicate scouring pad. It doesn't scratch glass, and it's the best to remove anything off the glass surface itself. And we just basically prepare that with detergent, water, and the glass. Get your bevel piece, and if you would like that piece to go in that position there, you draw around it. There are 4 or 5 different size, diameter glass pieces, and you can create 70 white light adhesive is a mild irritant, so it's a good idea. During this process we're going to get adhesives on our fingers, is to just wear some disposable gloves, which are very cheap, buy them in a box of 100. Get them nice and tight, so that feels like a seconds. Again, when we bonding our bevels onto the glass piece or the glass structure, we start at the bottom and work our way up. That's because the excess adhesive will always run down. So we just want to be working below and move up. So we've done up to about halfway so far. So putting the adhesive on the bevel, we start at the bottom. Well, we're going to place the bevel in such a manner that it pivots on the bottom edge. That way we're forcing the adhesive up and over the top edge of the bevel. So we apply our adhesive on the bottom half of the circle, and with that gravity just run the adhesive out through the bottom and to minimise any bubbles. Once we've got half done, you may want to put a little bit at the top there, because the top's very important to get the adhesive to. Now, following our design on the glass, we just gently put the bevel down. By doing it gently and not dropping it, we don't cause any bubbles. And as you can see, that adhesive wave's just flowing up and over that top edge. So with our 2 fingers, we're just going to hold it into position. As you can see, the adhesive running down. Let's just hold it into position and get our light from the back side of the bevel. Keeping into position, nice. Now, again, the reason why we cure it from the back is that we want to get the total flat surface of the bevel itself. If we do it from the front, we're going through the facet, the bevel edge, which kind of distorts the adhesive a little bit. Distorts the light frequency going through onto the adhesive, and can cause some little marks under it. So we do it at the back, get it nice. The other thing is I'm holding it very still. My fingers are clamped onto the bevel itself and pushed onto the glass, so that that bevel is not moving anywhere. I'm not jiggling it around. So nice and firm, and approximately 30 seconds. Could be less, could be more, depending on the temperature of the room. We're curing a little bit quicker today because it's nice and hot in here. But 30 seconds is a point we can look at. We can feel it curing. Remove our fingers. Continue to cure, counting in your mind to 30 seconds, getting that bulb nice and close. Okay, now once we've cured that, what we'd like to do is to maintain our clean surface, just remove that excess adhesive around the outside. Now you'll find that some has gone hard here. We'll fix that up later. That's a good indication that we possibly cured it a little bit too long. And now you'll probably see some of these, as we've wiped the adhesive off, there's a little bit of over-cured adhesive on the outside. So just using a razor blade very carefully, I'm just going to go around the edge of the bevel with the razor blade, making sure we use a safety razor blade. And then just scrape off the excess adhesive. making sure you put that little bit into a tissue or a rag, because we don't want to get it all over the glass again. Very simply, clean it up like that. After we've done this, our next move will be to just get our little scouring pad, our 3M scouring pad, and the detergent and water, and clean up the excess thin adhesive, which we'll show you in a second. Just using detergent and water, we're just going to spray the area using our 3M delicate scour. We're just going to go around the edge of the bevel itself, across the top, and what the scour is doing is actually soaking up that excess adhesive into its pores, and as you're cleaning more and more adhesive off the glass, you can feel the actual scour getting thinner and thinner. Turn it over, use the other side, and change it regularly for a new one, and that'll get the glass clean quicker. Now what you might have to do when you do a section, say this top section like this, we always clean from the top down. After we've cleaned a section like this, good to get our tissues, wipe down this section, and what this does, it just sees if we've left any adhesive behind. That means we have to go back and pay some more attention to it with the scour or the razor blade, and just go down the glass and clean it like such. You may need to do this 1, 2 or 3 times depending on how good you are at cleaning it up the first time.